Hey, Dr. J here. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm very excited to make a honey wheat bread today that is so delicious, all organic, and is full of delicious and nutritious seeds. So any of you that have been following me for a little while know that I love to cook, but I have an extremely busy schedule, probably like most of you. Even though we're busy, it doesn't mean that we can't have recipes that are nutritious for us, okay? So I'm really about making home-cooked foods, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. Now, can I do this by hand? Absolutely. I love making bread. I've been doing it for years. Never thought I needed one of these things, these bread machines, but I'll tell you, my husband Eric even loves to use it, and he doesn't like to cook at all. He makes some delicious bread. I'm gonna start with, this is half a cup of half and half a cup of water. You just wanna put it in your microwave about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, just till it comes to like a warm, kind of like a baby bottle. This is 1/4 cup of honey going in. My cat's trying to get involved in this. I don't know if you can hear her, that's Sophie. That's gonna give us nice sweetness. It's a healthy sweetener. I also have 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You could also use like an avocado oil, that would be fine. Regular olive oil, that would be fine. So now I'm gonna put this is 1.5 cups of organic bread flour, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, organic as well. I love making things at home because I can control the ingredients and I can buy a little bit better product when I'm making home goods. So now I'm gonna put in, this is 1.5 teaspoons of salt. This is 1.5 teaspoons of bread machine yeast going in. Now these are all my seeds. I'm gonna give you all the measurements, but I've got pumpkin seeds, I've got sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, and chia seeds. I mean, delicious, right? And these are full packed of vitamins, omega-3s, riboflavins, antioxidants. It's just all good stuff. So this is the best part. You saw how quick it was. It just took me a few minutes to gather my ingredients. That's it. Open up your machine, gonna put it in, and all I gotta do is just make sure it's locked on there, and it is. I already have my machine preset. Every machine's different. This will make a 1.5 pound loaf. I can't wait for you to see how this turns out. It's so good. And we make bread probably once or twice a week. It also makes great like gift for somebody if you're thinking around the holidays or just giving a loaf to a neighbor, right? Why not? That's it. All I gotta do is press start. It's gonna take 3 hours and 11 minutes, my machine says, and then we're gonna have bread. Okay, so the timer just went off. It smells so good in here. Let's open up and see what it looks like. All right, I just love this handy dandy machine. It's so amazing to me that you just put all the ingredients to one little bucket and then you have bread. It looks so good. Okay, I'm just gonna give this a twist. Just be careful. And I'm just gonna turn this out. Oop, there we go. Awesome. Get it turned around here so you can kind of get a look. Look at that. We got bread. I'm gonna let it sit. I want it to cool down completely before we actually cut into it. And then I'll show you what it looks like. It's so delicious. All the seeds, you're gonna love it. Easy to make, you saw me do it. All right, let it cool. I'll come back, cut it for you, and we'll give it a taste. Okay, so this is my newest bread recipe. I think you're absolutely gonna love it. It's my honey wheat that I've actually just infused with a lot of seeds. We've got pumpkin seeds, we've got sunflower seeds, we've got sesame seeds, poppy seeds, chia seeds. I mean, just delicious. Full of antioxidants, omega-3s, just all good stuff. I put some real butter on top. You don't want to use that fake stuff. Real butter is actually a natural anti-inflammatory. So I'm going to give it a taste for you. That's amazing. You do not need to buy bread. You can make it yourself. I hope you do. So easy, so delicious. We need a little machine for it, but it's so worth the price. Eric and I make bread at least once a week. Hope you enjoy the recipe. If you do, please share it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And don't forget to click that bell so you get notified when our next video is coming out. Enjoy.